Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay are on this 2010 Chevy 2500HD with the gas 4-tech engine. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So go in there, pop your hood, put your hood up. Right over here is your fuse box. I already took this off for the sake of time because it's kind of a pain to get off quickly. But this is your fuel pump relay right here. Then your fuel pump fuse is this fuse right here. So fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse. If this video is helpful, please smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And thank you for watching, and have a good one.